Welcome back to the Halftime Report. We asked for your questions. You answered, and now we're answering them. All right, first up, one viewer tweets a question for Joe. Joe, does this secondary offering by Motorola Solutions, a name we don't talk about very much, bother you?
Absolutely not. I continue to stay long. I believe the stock gets above 200. I've mentioned that before. This is actually a good thing. This is a reinvestment in the business on the part of Silver Lake, which has been a fantastic partner. It's taking the ability of the credit markets right now, extend maturity from 2020 to 2024, better rate on the convertible notes from 2% to 1.75. So it feels a little heavy today. Yes, I get the logic behind that. But Silver Lake is the one selling the 5 million shares.
Okay, next up, Hans in Dublin, Ireland or Ohio, who knows, asks if it's time to double down on Transocean or cut loss of the stock down nearly 30% this year, Stephen Weiss.
Yeah, which continues the decline that we've seen year after year after year. I'm not involved, haven't been involved in these stocks for a while. I see no reason to be involved when there's so many other places to make money in the market. Oil is a complete commodity. You're not going to make money.
All right, Ron in Long Beach, California has a question on options. So this one's for you. Petey says, I own October calls in UnitedHealth. Buy, sell, or hold the recent weakness?
I'd hold on to these because of the weakness. And actually, when you look at this trading 17 times, I think there's upside. I think he's going to be right. Stock was 260. It's lower now. I think it's a great opportunity.
All right, Roy in Newark, Ohio wants to know if he should continue to own at-home group. John, you own calls.
They beat on the bottom lines, but unfortunately, Sully, they guided pretty darn weak. And that's why shares are down. This was just last night that they did it, or the night before. I'd stay away now.
Okay, and finally, the big banks are coming back a little bit, or is this really a head fake today? Steve in Vegas, Kristen, he asks, what's your take on the big banks?
So on financials, really what drove some of the rally that we've seen today is the curve steepening. And so a lot of this is going to be driven by interest rates, and it's going to be driven by the steepness of the curve. If we continue to get the front end coming down and we see that steepening, then that could be continued support for financials.